I'm Andy Wales. I am the Director of Commercialization for Procell InSite of the Duracell Company. The installation process is meant to be and has been built from the ground up to be as low friction, as low touch as possible. We've proven it to be that it can be installed in deployment with as zero to as limited visibility to customers and impacting customer experience as possible. We've been active upon the 3 of the ASMR ships for over a year now, generating millions and millions of data points. Getting so much information from that data, we've actually signed ASMR as our full fleet-wide partner moving forward. Every time we install it, the operations team is looking at that and saying, man, I just didn't realize how much I didn't know about my ship and my devices. Procell InSite was created not as a generic land-based hospitality program and retrofitted for the marine environment. It was built from the ground up for the marine operators, taking everything into consideration from bandwidth constraints, delivering an ultra-low drain Wi-Fi system. Also, everything that we've done has been first and foremost towards that guest satisfaction and bringing that consumer back. We've also taken and scrubbed hundreds of thousands of guest reviews of the big 4 cruise ships out there, from anything from operational inefficiencies to device failures to delayed maintenance requests. And we've realized that over 36% of them are InSite addressable problems. That's not just a guess, that's quantifiable data that we can actually provide value to increasing that operational excellence.